So when this drum is full of this sediment that passes through the inner bucket, that fine silt that you can see coming out, we have to empty it out and start again. So we can test it by putting our arms in, and we know how high it is, and it has to be below the shower head. So when we're ready, we open up, we turn off the water, and we open this up. We open this up and we let all the mud out. And it comes gushing out. Comes gushing out. And then meanwhile, we clean with our hose here. We try and get all the soil, help all the soil go out. See, it's quite exciting to have all this mud go away. And when this gets lower, you can see the mud inside. A lot of mud is departing, and you're going to see the shower head in a minute. There's the shower head, kind of muddy. There we go. And the soil, but mainly the water, is exiting. And we just clean it out. We do this when we have to do it, whenever the time comes. We try and help it along. You can see now, if you look in here, you see how the mud is still there? We have to help this along. We have to get this mud out. There we go. Just a little bit of extra help. We have a piece of the top of this actually was soldered onto the bottom on an angle to help evacuate this mud. We're almost gone. Yeah. Poco más. Now we've emptied the turril. We close this down. Close it up again. And we put the inner bucket in here. And we fill it up again to use again. And now we open this up, and start filling it up again. You can hear the shower head spraying. It would be spraying up. If we left all this out, we'd be covered in a nice shower, but we don't want that. We just want it to fill up. So this will take 15 minutes or so to fill up, and then we'll be ready to float again.